Dare to ask. To set your intentions and to ask for what you want. Dare to ask. Knowing you have greatness in you. Knowing your potential is ever expanding. Dare to ask. Knowing you are just as valuable, just as worthy as all others who dare to ask. Dare to ask. With the courage to step out of your comfort zone, to take the risks to prepare for creating the life you want. Dare to ask. Seeking out and creating opportunities wherever you go. Dare to ask. With the willingness to put forth the work, invest your time, and do your part. Dare to ask. Without expectations, without attachments to the outcome, being open to all possibilities, allowing freedom and inspiration to guide your way. Dare to ask. Knowing you have much to offer in return. Dare to ask. I am daring to ask. To set my intentions and to ask for what I want. I am daring to ask. Knowing I have greatness in me. Knowing my potential is ever expanding. I am daring to ask. Knowing I am just as valuable, just as worthy as all others who dare to ask. I am daring to ask. With the courage to step out of my comfort zone, to take the risks to prepare for creating the life I want. I am daring to ask. Seeking out and creating opportunities wherever I go. I am daring to ask. With the willingness to put forth the work, invest my time, and do my part. I am daring to ask. Without expectations, without attachments to the outcome, being open to all possibilities, allowing freedom and inspiration to guide my way. I am daring to ask, knowing I have much to offer in return. I am daring to ask.